In this video, I'll show you how to quickly remove a participant from your Google Meet call. First, make sure you're the meeting organizer or have been given host permissions. Only hosts can remove participants from Google Meet calls. During your meeting, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the people icon. This will open up the participants panel on the right side of your screen. Now, you'll see a list of everyone currently in the meeting. Find the person you want to remove and hover your mouse over their name. You'll see three dots next to their name. Click on those dots. A small menu will pop up with options. Click on Remove from Call and that participant will be immediately disconnected from the meeting. Keep in mind that the removed participant won't be able to rejoin the same meeting link, so use this feature responsibly and only when necessary. If you need to let them back in later, you'll need to send them a new meeting link or restart the meeting entirely. And that's how simple it is to manage your Google Meet participants.